Hello guys and welcome once again sa isa na namang unboxing episode dito sa FNJ Toy Collectibles. So ang ating i-unbox ngayon ay itong Iron Studios Spider-Man Special Edition. So kaya siya tinawag na Special Edition kasi this is the statue's 10th year anniversary since it was released. So previously si Iron Studios nag-release nitong particular statue na to 10 years ago in 1/4 scale. So after 10 years they decided to re-release this particular statue in 1/10 scale form. So yan. So ayan. So nung nalaman ko nga ito na for pre-order, nung inopen namin to for pre-order last year, I was very excited kasi ang ganda nito nung nakita ko to nung 10 years ago in 1/4 scale. Ang gandang-ganda talaga ako sa kanya. Kaya ayan ayan yung particular statue na yan. So ito yung i-unbox natin today for this episode. Kaya tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Ayan, ito na. Unahin na natin buksan ng ilabas ang base. So, yan. So, ito yung base niya. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa base na to kasi meron silang certain elements ng mga Spider-Man villain. So, makikita nyo nandito yung Jack-o'-lantern na bomb ni Green Goblin. Ayan, yung maliit. Tapos nandito yung tentacle ni Dr. Octopus. Yun. Tapos kung makikita nyo dito sa pinakataas niya, ayan, nandun yung camera ni Peter Parker na nakadikit. Ayun. Okay. So, next na natin ikabit ay yung Oscorp sign. Ayan. Hindi ko na matanda kung ano yung uunahin natin kasi previously, nung lumabas ito, during yung first release nito nung 1/4 scale, nakapag-acquire din tayo nito, nakapagbuo din tayo nito before. So, yan na. Ito yung signboard ng Oscorp. Yan. So, usod lang natin. Nakabit natin to dito sa taas. Yeah, kung nagkaroon kayo nito nung 1/4 version nito, 1/4 scale, previously before, ayun, medyo mahirap siya ikabit kasi ang dami niyang parts. Ayan, so buti na lang ito, medyo unti na lang siya. Ayun, ito yung, ayun, nice. So, ito yung tentacle ni Dr. Octopus, ni Doc Ock. Ayan, ganda, laki. Ang taba nung tentacle niya. Ayan. So, mukhang medyo mahirap lang ito ikabit. Pagmitang. Medyo yung butas Sana sumakto ang pasok. Sa butas. Tagilid kasi yung butas niya yung pasok. So, careful lang kayo guys kasi medyo mahirap siya ikabit. So, disclaimer lang. Yun. Kung ikakabit nyo siya, medyo patagilid. Yan. Kasi, yun, hirap niya. Ayun. And of course, here is the classic Spider-Man. Ayun. Ganda. So, nagwe-web shoot siya. Very dynamic yung pose. And this is the classic Spider-Man that we know. Ayan, yun yung classic Spider-Man costume. Red and blue with the Spider-Man on the center chest. Ayan, ganda Very dynamic. So, ang pose niya is, ayan. Para siyang nag-crash dun sa Oscorp window. Sa bintana ng Oscorp. Yan. Parang laboratory kasi meron dito infectious substance na signboard. Ayun. So, makikita niyo siya mamaya pag close-up look later on. Ayan. So, yan. Nabuo na natin. So, tabi lang natin to. Ayan. So, ayan. Tara. Silipin natin to ng let's have a close-up look of this statue. So, ayun. So, that's it. That is our review, unboxing and review of this particular statue. So, let me know guys kung nagustuhan nyo yung ating unboxing for this particular statue. Masabi ko lang, yeah, napakaganda nitong particular statue, especially if makita nyo to on hand, itong particular statue, kasi napaka detailed niya. So, ayun yung mga parang broken glass, dun yung tentacle ni Doctor Octopus. Ito nandito yung camera ni ano ni Peter Parker. Tapos nandito yung ay sirang signage ng Oscorp Corporation. Tapos ayun, hazardous substance na sign. So which means parang si Spider-Man is nag-crash or parang pumasok siya dun sa parang laboratory ni um Norman Osborn. So, yun. Yeah. So, if you wish to order this particular statue, you can message us through our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/FJ Toy Collectibles, or you can check out through our website at www.fjtoystore.com. So, we still have a few pieces of this particular statue still available. This statue is priced at 18,000 pesos. Yan. So, free delivery ito within Metro Manila, itong statue na to. Yan. So, kuha na kayo guys. So, yun. And thank you once again guys for joining us here at our unboxing session at F&J Toy Collectibles, for collectors young and old.